नमस्कार। आज 31वें स्थापना दिवस के मुख्य अतिथि, विशिष्ट अतिथि, विशेष आमंत्रित गण, सभी माननीय अतिथिगण, सहयोगियों, एनसीटीई परिवार के सभी सदस्यगण और प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you on this auspicious occasion of 31st Foundation Day of NCTE. It is my proud privilege to extend my heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, श्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी, माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री, भारत सरकार, प्रोफेसर मजहर आसिफ जी, वाइस चांसलर, जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया, प्रोफेसर अनिल सहस्त्रबुद्धे जी, अध्यक्ष, नेशनल एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी फोरम, प्रोफेसर जगदीश कुमार जी, पूर्व अध्यक्ष यूजीसी, मिस प्राची पांडे जी, संयुक्त सचिव, स्कूली शिक्षा और साक्षरता विभाग, शिक्षा मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार, माय एस्टीम्ड कॉलीग मिस अभिलाषा झा मिश्रा जी, मेंबर सेक्रेटरी एनसीटीई. I also extend my respectful welcome to Professor Anu Singh Lathar ji, Vice Chancellor, Ambedkar University, Delhi, Professor Akhilesh Mishra ji, Chairperson, NIOS. A warm welcome to all the chairpersons of our regional committees, heads of the institutions, principals of colleges, NCTE officers and officials, and our dear students. A heartfelt welcome to each one of you. साथियों, आज हम राष्ट्रीय अध्यापक शिक्षा परिषद के 31वें स्थापना दिवस का उत्सव मनाने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं. The foundation of NCTE was laid on 17th August 1995 with the noble objective of strengthening the quality of teacher education in India. Over the last 3 decades, NCTE has been committed to raising standards, reforming policies, and nurturing excellence in teacher education. Foundation Day is not only a day to celebrate, but also it is a day to reflect. यह अवसर है अपनी यात्रा, अपने योगदान और अपनी उपलब्धियों को स्मरण करने का. NCTE motto Gurur Gurutamo Dhamah reflects the very essence of our purpose. It signifies that teacher is the supreme source of wisdom, knowledge, and values. Guided by this philosophy, the mission of NCTE has been to prepare teachers who not only impact academic knowledge, but also nurture constitutional values, life skills, and contribute meaningfully to the holistic development of students. We are all witnessing a transformative era in education with NEP 2020, a visionary reform led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and guided by Honorable Minister of Education Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji. Mananiya Shiksha Mantri ji, your visionary leadership has always been a crucial in driving our initiatives forward. We are extremely thankful for your support and guidance. Together, we have driven significant progress in the implementation of NEP 2020, setting new benchmark in our education sector. As we mark 5th year of successful journey of NEP 2020, this policy stands as the turning point in our mission. It emphasizes a robust, flexible, and multidisciplinary education system, which align perfectly with our goal at NCTE. While implementing various programs across the country, we have received valuable cooperation, collaboration, and coordination from different stakeholders, institutions, and experts working in education sector. To connect with all stakeholders of pre-service and in-service teacher education, we have organized a series of national conclaves. So far, through 3 national conclaves, first held at Nehu, Shillong, second took place at Gujarat Vidyapeeth, Ahmedabad, and third conclave took place at Kurukshetra University, Haryana. This way, we have covered 28 states and union territories where we went for inputs from the ground, inputs from all the policy stakeholders. In our policy-driven decision-making process, we have also benefited greatly from the support of Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe ji, and Professor Jagdish Kumar ji. Their contribution has been extremely important in moving our initiatives forward. NCT has been entrusted with several flagship programs. Integrated Teacher Education Program, which prepare future-ready teachers. National Mission for Mentoring, which connect experienced teachers with the young teachers. And National Professional Standards for Teachers, which supports continuous growth and excellence among working teachers. साथियों, इस वर्ष मुझे दक्षिण अफ्रीका के डरबन में G20 वर्किंग ग्रुप बैठक में भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व करने का अवसर मिला, where these initiatives were not only discussed but also deeply appreciated at the international level. The focus of the dialogue there was not just about policies, it was also about the people, the teachers, and their resilience. We are working in the right direction, in line with the vision of NEP 2020 and moving from local to global. I extend my deepest gratitude to the Ministry of Education, especially Secretary School Education, Shri Sanjay Kumar ji and Shrimati Prachi Pandey ji, for their invaluable guidance and encouragement. Theme for this year's Foundation Day is Samarth Shikshak Sashakt Bharat. This reflects our firm belief that empowered teachers are the true architects of an empowered nation. At NCTE, our commitment has always been to prepare humane teachers with professional outlook, who can lead India towards progress, inclusivity, and excellence. On this Foundation Day, we reaffirm our collective resolve to strengthen teacher education and contribute in building Viksit Bharat 2047. Symbolizing our commitment to this transformative program, currently ITAP has been started in 77 multidisciplinary institutions that include IITs, NITs, central and state universities with 7,100 seats across the nation. NCTE बदल रहा है. पिछले वर्षों में हमारी पहचान मुख्यतः एक रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी के रूप में रही है, जहां हमारा फोकस स्टैंडर्ड्स और कंप्लायंस पर रहा. लेकिन NEP 2020 के दृष्टि के अनुरूप अब हम एक ऐसा संतुलन बना रहे हैं जिसमें NCTE न केवल रेगुलेटरी बॉडी बल्कि एक एकेडमिक लीडर की तरह दिखाई दे. एक और हम नॉर्म्स और स्टैंडर्ड्स बना रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ हम ट्रांसपेरेंसी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी पर भी काम कर रहे हैं. रिसर्च, इनोवेशन और कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग NCT के वर्क स्टाइल का हिस्सा बनता जा रहा है. यह केवल स्ट्रक्चरल शिफ्ट नहीं है, बल्कि टीचर एजुकेशन को सशक्त और गुणवत्तापूर्ण बनाने की हमारी प्रतिबद्धता का प्रतीक है. Today, on this special occasion, we are delighted to announce the revival of two NCT journals, Journal of Teacher Education, a peer-reviewed international journal, and Anveshika, our Hindi journal. These will be released by Honorable Shiksha Mantri ji. इन पत्रिकाओं का प्रकाशन, पुनः प्रकाशन केवल एक पब्लिकेशन एक्टिविटी नहीं है, बल्कि यह NCTE का कमिटमेंट टुवर्ड्स क्वालिटी, रिसर्च एंड इनोवेशन भी है. हम नवाचार करते रहेंगे, अनुकूलन करेंगे और अपने सभी प्रयासों में उत्कृष्टता के लिए प्रयासरत रहेंगे. हमारा मिशन एक ऐसे शिक्षा तंत्र को विकास करना है जो न केवल ज्ञान प्रदान करे बल्कि समालोचनात्मक सोच, रचनात्मकता और सीखने के प्रति प्रेम को भी प्रोत्साहित करे. As our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji said, quote, to bring about reforms in education, the importance of creating teachers is greater than that of infrastructure. The education system holds significant value, but quality improvement is in the education process itself, unquote. This thought reflects the very essence of our mission. At NCTE, our work is guided by four core principles. Those core principles are, number 1, accountability, number 2, transparency, number 3, technology-driven innovation and monitoring, and number 4, light but tight regulatory framework. आज मैं आपको आश्वस्त करता हूं कि एनसीटीई आप सभी का संस्थान है। शिक्षक शिक्षा से जुड़े किसी भी विषय पर, किसी भी सुझाव पर हम खुले मन से आपका स्वागत करते हैं। NCTE is making concrete efforts to translate the vision of NEP 2020 in tangible reality. At the end, once again, I congratulate everyone on this 31st Foundation Day of NCTE. Let us move forward with renewed dedication, purpose and unity to shape brighter future for teacher education in India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.